Ready? Hi guys, Chef Josh here with Kaiyo Sushi Catering. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make veggie roll. Follow me. Starting off by using my nori, about 4 to 5 ounces of rice. Same basic technique that we've used in our previous videos. The goal is to cover all the green, nori. This time I'll be using 4 slices of avocado. 6 actually. Asparagus. Cucumber. Go ahead and shape this real quickly. Cut the ends off if there's any extra sticking out. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and reach out. Oops. Lay down our sliced avocado. Sometimes it's hard to work with that, which is okay. Okay, that will go this end. Okay. Okay, 8 slices. Oopsie. Okay. Reshape it one more time. Tuck the ends in. This roll I will be plating this one with guacamole. Okay. Okay. Then a little bit of spicy mayo on top. And the edges off. And here we have it. Veggie roll with avocado puree, guacamole, done at home.